DJI is releasing its GoPro killer called Osmo Action camera, and I got to take it out for a spin. Here are my initial impressions. I don't want to bore you with long-winded tech specs that you can just look up on your own. We want to get to the good stuff. It's got all the features that you've come to expect from an action cam, like 12 megapixel photos, 4K video, slow-mo, time-lapse, hyperlapse, voice control, a durable design, user-friendly interface, and all of the universal mounting options that you might already have. And now the goodies. That front color screen to compose that perfect frame for vlogging or a selfie, I guess. All jokes aside, I did find it useful when getting action shots of me riding through the forest. It's no surprise that DJI's rock-steady EIS technology was rock-steady indeed. One thing I noticed when the EIS is turned on is that it crops the frame a bit to allow the algorithm to do its balancing act, hiding the edges off screen. No biggie though, just move the camera back to get the right composition. The HDR video feature claims 3 stops of additional dynamic range in the scene with natural transitions between light and dark areas. And based on the footage, you can definitely tell the difference. I'd shoot HDR often than not, just so I can have the information in the footage when I go to post. But here's the trade-off. EIS cannot be enabled in HDR video. What? I guess that's just too much computing for this little guy. That is a bummer, but hopefully it's enabled via a firmware update. The quick snap feature is a nice to have. Just press the shutter button and start recording video or take a photo in just under 2 seconds of pressing it. What would be even cooler is a pre-record option so that it covers that 2 seconds of lag. DJI has the option to de-warp your footage in camera just in case you don't like that fisheye lens look. I'd keep it on most of the time unless I'm shooting a skate video or shooting POV of a fish. The removable lens cap is another distinctly unique feature. DJI lists varying ND filters as well as some color filters to shoot underwater scenes more accurately. Another accessory DJI is promising is a 3.5mm adapter for external mics. As of the making of this video, GoPro is currently sold out and back-ordered on the little dongle, so releasing these guys would give them a leg up on the competition. Overall, I really dig the camera and its features. DJI is certainly not shy about stepping on GoPro's toes with this action cam, and at a price point of $349 US, it's an attractive option for sure. The Osmo Action camera will start shipping immediately at DJI.com on May 15th, then everywhere else on May 22nd.